Hi, I'm Yael, and we are here at the AVT booth at the Labelexpo show, where we're introducing smart factory inspection solutions.
So what we're showing here is what we call continuous and random defect display. It's an add-on to inspection. It's, I would say, a smarter inspection that highlights continuous defects, process defects that they can actually be fixed, versus random defects that not always interesting for the operators. So the operator can immediately see continuous defects, analyze and see what the source of the defect is, whether it's coming from the plate, the analog, sometimes the CI press if it's stuck on the CI, if we're talking wide web, or gravure presses, streaks, and so on. It enables them to focus on that, fix it right away. We analyze where it's coming from, and then it helps them as well to edit the information and make sure they stop on the relevant defects downstream.
If you would like to see more of our solutions and our automation offering, please join us at our booth at the AVT booth at Hall 3. Looking forward to seeing you.